an effective way to clean your glasses without streaks or scratches. Opticians do this quietly. If you wear glasses, you definitely know this problem. Greasy marks and fingerprints appear on the lenses very quickly, making it hard to see clearly. I'll show you a simple way to clean your glasses properly. Prepare a bowl and start by rinsing your glasses with warm water. This is a basic step that removes dust, sand, and small particles. The water should not be too hot, as it could damage the lens coating. Next, prepare a clean bowl and pour in fresh water. Add 1 drop of dish soap. It breaks down grease effectively and removes oily residue. Mix everything gently. Place the glasses in the bowl for about 1 minute. Carefully clean the lenses with your fingers so the soap reaches the entire surface. This removes streaks and buildup. The next step is to rinse the glasses thoroughly under clean water so no detergent remains, as residue can leave a film on the lenses. Then gently remove excess water. If any drops remain, lightly dry the lenses with a microfiber cloth. Wipe the frames as well, including hard-to-reach areas. Leftover moisture quickly attracts dust and dirt, and that's it. Now your glasses look and feel like brand new. They're clean, crystal clear, free of streaks and fingerprints, and your vision becomes sharp and comfortable. Anyone who wears glasses is familiar with this issue. In winter, when you move from cold outdoor air into a warm room, your lenses immediately fog up, making it difficult to see anything. This can also be dangerous in many situations. Cold glasses exposed to warm, humid air cause water vapor to condense on their surface, a problem triggered by sudden temperature changes. There are many anti-fog products available on the market, but they're often quite expensive. Moreover, we don't always have them on hand when we need them the most. Here's a simple and inexpensive solution to prevent your glasses from fogging up, using items you already have at home. Apply 1 drop of glycerin to each lens, both on the inside and outside. Then polish the lenses with a clean cloth. If you don't have glycerin at home, shaving foam will work as well. Apply it directly to your glasses and thoroughly rub the product into the lenses. Shaving foam reduces surface tension, effectively preventing water vapor from condensing on your glasses. This simple trick will keep your glasses fog-free, no matter how large the temperature difference is. Put a regular straw into your phone. This is a trick used by repair shops, and it can make an old phone work much better. Start by taking a plastic soda bottle and cutting off the top with the cap. Now work on the cap. Make a hole in it. You can use a lighter and a screwdriver or a soldering iron. Push the straw through so it sticks out on both sides, then seal it with hot glue, covering the joint carefully. Wait until the glue dries. This homemade tip fits any household vacuum cleaner. Regular vacuum nozzles are too big to clean a phone properly. Just attach the one you made from the bottle and straw. It's very precise, so it's perfect for cleaning electronics, like phones that collect dust inside. A dirty charging port can cause problems, but with this trick you can easily remove sand and dust. Simply insert the straw into your phone and turn on the vacuum. The built-up dirt will disappear in seconds. You can do the same with headphone jacks or speakers. Here's how to remove yellow stains and buildup from window frames. This brilliant homemade solution will make cleaning your windows incredibly easy. Let me show you 3 tried and true methods that really work. First, try a mixture of baking soda and water. Baking soda gently whitens, removes discoloration, and dissolves light deposits. Soak a cotton pad in this mix and wipe the window frames. In just moments, the yellow stains and buildup will disappear. For the second method, use baking powder and lemon juice. Baking powder cleans and neutralizes unpleasant odors, while the citric acid in lemon juice brightens and whitens. Apply the paste to frames or sills, scrubbing with a small brush to get into all the hard-to-reach corners. Finish by wiping with a damp cloth. You'll see the difference immediately. The last method is my favorite. Pour a cup of vinegar into a bowl. Vinegar is excellent at dissolving limescale, grease, and streaks. Add a bit of baking soda. It softens dirt and acts as a mild abrasive. When mixed, it will foam up nicely. Spread the foam onto the frames with a sponge. Let it sit for a moment, then wipe clean with a cloth. With these simple homemade tricks, your window frames will look brand new, clean, cheap, and natural. Here's how to clean white shoes. If you're unsure how to clean white sneakers, this video is for you. This method also works for white trainers. Since I started using this mixture, I no longer buy expensive shoe cleaners from the store. You'll be amazed by how well it works. You can make this cleaner with ingredients you already have at home. With just a few items, you'll get great results. First, get a bowl. Start by pouring half a cup of dish soap into it. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, removing dirt, stains, and lightly whitening the shoes. Measure half a cup of vinegar and pour it into the mixture. Vinegar softens the water, making the detergents more effective. The mixture will start to fizz, which is normal. Stir everything thoroughly. Finally, add 500 milliliters of water and mix it all again. Your new shoe cleaning solution is ready. Cleaning with this mixture is simple. Dip a soft shoe cleaning brush into the solution and gently scrub your white shoes. This homemade mixture works best if you leave it on the shoes for a while. Wipe off the excess with a cloth and scrub the shoes again, especially the soles. You'll easily remove all stains and dirt. Your white sneakers will look like new. This unclogs the drain better than a machine. Every home needs this green liquid. Once you use it, you'll quickly notice the difference. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 7 ounces of dish soap. Its powerful degreasing properties help dissolve food residues and grease that accumulate in the drain. Next, add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Salt acts as a natural abrasive, helping to remove buildup and bacteria from the pipes. Now pour in 3 ounces of vinegar and mix everything thoroughly. Before pouring the mixture into the sink, remove the strainer. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of baking soda directly into the drain. Baking soda has strong cleaning properties and neutralizes odors. Now pour the prepared mixture into the drain and leave it overnight, so the ingredients have time to break down dirt and disinfect the pipes. In the morning, close the sink and fill it with hot water. Once full, remove the plug. The strong stream of water will flush out any remaining dirt and bacteria, leaving the drain clean and odor-free. Using this method twice a month will keep your pipes clear, and your sink will always smell fresh. Pour ET into the dishwasher and turn it on. After the cycle is finished, it will be like new. This is the best way to clean the dishwasher. Before you do that, however, check the condition of the filter. Pull out the bottom rack. Unscrew the filter. Here, all the dirt accumulates. See how much residue is on it. It's grease and food remnants. Place the filter in a bowl of warm water. Pour dishwashing liquid and scrub the entire filter. When you remove most of the dirt, change the water. Soak the filter in water with dish soap and vinegar. This will help remove any remaining dirt. It will also neutralize most of the bacteria that may have settled on the filter. Clean the edge near the dishwasher door. Dirt collects here, which is not removed during the cycle. Wipe this area thoroughly and clean it. Check and scrub the filter again. After rinsing it under running water, screw it back into place. Unscrew the salt container. You will see if dirt has settled on the cap. Remove it and screw it back on. Sprinkle a good amount of baking soda on the bottom of the dishwasher. Let it cover the entire bottom. Place a small bowl of vinegar on the top rack. Turn on the dishwasher for a standard cycle. Baking soda and vinegar will clean and disinfect the interior of the dishwasher. The remaining dirt and unpleasant odor will disappear. The dishwasher will look like new. The dishes will be cleaner and shinier.